Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We got a frame linkage drawbar here, which was kindly sent by Anglo Agriparts. A link to their website will be down below. But anyway, we'll start the video off having a look. It looks pretty well built, I'm not gonna lie. It's been painted, which is nice. And it looks, well, feels really good quality, so that's a really good start to it. I've got it behind the MASSEY. So Anglo Agriparts basically sell a lot of tractor parts for different models of tractors, so ranging from MASSEY Fergusons to Ford and loads of others. And they've got loads of they've got paint as well, so we've got loads of parts really. So make sure you go and check them out in the links below to their websites. And yeah, so anyway, we better start the video. What I'm going to do is put it on the Ivan Williams tray, which should be alright, I'm hoping. The top link has been a bit funny, so we'll have to see how that gets on. But anyway, we will try it out and see how it gets on. But anyway, the Ford has been very busy on hay duty. He's been turning hay most of the time, so that's been really good. She's loved it, I think, and rowing up as well. By the way, all the hay's in, so that's a good start. And also, by the way, it's got the ball and it's got the hitch there, pin as well. So just thought I'll let you guys know. They've got category 1 and category 2. This is category 1, as I wanted to try it on the MASSEY. But anyway, we'll get going now. Let's talking. Right, let's see if she'll start up. She should do. Without it in neutral, it will. Ready? Right, we've got the MASSEY there with the Ivan Williams trailer. We've got to put the sides on first, so I'll get that done now. And yeah, it's been carting hay about, so yeah, we just got to put it on the top of the field and take it back off. But anyway, small job for it and see how it gets on. So we got it on here. The top link could do with some adjusting, to be honest, but unfortunately it won't turn, so I can't adjust it, and my other ones don't fit the MASSEY yet, so I have to get another one of them. Never mind. I really think it's going to be handy on the farm for carting bales, putting on trailers, which can come very handy for loads of reasons, really, to be honest. Moving wood, and it's something for the MASSEY to do, really. Another little job for it. Anyway, we'll go and park it up. Right then, we better take it off. It's not that hard, we just got to undo this bit. Yeah, like so, tighten that up. Got your hook here, pull it up. Make sure it's on the right angle there so you can get the grip. Pull that up, so that's going to let go of the drawbar. Yeah, it's not coming off now. There we go, we're off. and lovely. She's off the ball, and yeah, well, that is really going to be very useful. Actually, it really is. So I'd actually like to. It's quite a short video, this, but I'm going to show you from now on how I'm going to use the trailer a fair bit with the MASSEY. So expect a fair few videos to come on it, as I'll make a few more on it. So that'd be really good fun. Right, thank you again to Anglo Tractor Parts, Anglo Agriparts for sending it. Much appreciated. All their links to their website will be down below in the description down below. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the little bell so you know when I upload a new video, and subscribe for more videos to come. So from me and the MASSEY and the trailer, we'll see you in the next one.
Give me that.